There's a story. This is a story from Greek mythology. And the story was this, that there was a guy by the name of Prometheus, and and fire belonged to the gods. And Prometheus stole the fire and he brought it to mankind because he wanted to help him, right? And Zeus, the head god, got really mad. So what he did is he punished Prometheus, and his punishment was he got chained to a rock, like to a cliff, chained to a rock, and every day an eagle would come and would peck out his liver. And then at night, his liver would grow back again. And the next day, the eagle would come and peck out his liver again. So there was a well-fed eagle, and it was a really pain for Prometheus. And I started thinking about that. And first of all, I didn't like that Zeus was so nasty. So my question was, well, how can we save Prometheus from this eternal punishment that he was getting from Zeus? And it was very, very interesting. Give fire back to the gods. Stop cooking the food. Now, what I found really interesting is this is from like before, like this is probably from 5,000 years ago, 4,000, 3,000 years ago. This story. How did they know that when you use fire on foods, your liver gets wrecked? Because it does. They knew that way back. They didn't know about molecules and they didn't do anatomy classes. They knew that when you use fire on foods, you wreck your liver because your liver has to deal with all the toxins that are produced when you burn the food. So I just thought was really interesting.